Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2022 Subaru BRZ Coupe, stock reference number 5692. The shape runs from the 10th month 2021 and is the current shape. It has an FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. 2.4 litre FA24 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left guard, has a slight fold on the front, good for a good private. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand side skirt. Left door has no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Boot lid has no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side skirt. Right door has a fold on the front edge. Right power door mirror. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather and cloth interior, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.